The Redmagic 11 Air is a lightweight gaming powerhouse designed to deliver elite mobile performance, sleek ergonomics, and innovative cooling in a more portable package for serious gamers and tech enthusiasts. With its Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, vibrant high-refresh display, and built-in fan system, it stands out as a nimble yet formidable option in the competitive gaming smartphone arena. Cutting-edge design and build. The Redmagic 11 Air commands attention with its premium glass front backed by Gorilla Glass 7i, an aviation aluminum middle frame, and a tough Gorilla Glass 5 rear, creating a durable yet agile build. Measuring 163.8 by 76.5 by 8 mm and weighing just 207 grams, it offers a slim, comfortable grip perfect for extended play sessions without fatigue. It earns an IP54 rating for dust protection and water splash resistance, plus illuminated RGB logo and fan lights on the back that add a dynamic, customizable glow to its gaming aesthetic, setting it apart from bulkier rivals. Immersive display for top-tier gaming. Gaming leaps to new heights on the expansive 6.85-inch AMOLED display, supporting 1 billion colors, a fluid 144 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1800 nits for stunning visuals even in bright environments. With a sharp 1216 by 2688 resolution at 431 ppi density and over 90.7% screen-to-body ratio, the edge-to-edge panel delivers true immersion protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Advanced 2592 Hz PWM dimming and pressure-sensitive zones with 520 Hz touch sensing ensure lightning-fast, precise controls for competitive edge in fast-paced titles. Performance, engineered for competitive edge. Powering the core is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite SM8750AB on a 3nm process with an octa-core CPU featuring 2 x 4.32 GHz Orion V2 Phoenix L cores and an Adreno 830 GPU, delivering benchmark-crushing speed for demanding games and multitasking. Configuration options include 12GB or 16GB RAM paired with 256GB or 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, handling resource-heavy sessions with ease. The standout built-in cooling fan and aviation aluminum frame actively manage heat, maintaining peak frame rates and low temperatures during prolonged gameplay, outperforming standard passive systems. Photography and AI imaging. The dual rear camera setup shines with a 50MP wide lens, f/1.9, 1/1.55, PDF, OIS, for stable, detailed shots and an 8MP ultrawide, f/2.2, for expansive views, enhanced by LED flash, HDR and panorama modes. Video recording reaches 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, or slow motion 1080p at 240 frames per second with Euro EIS and OIS for smooth footage. Upfront, a 16MP under-display selfie camera, f/2.0, captures HDR-enhanced portraits at 1080p 60 frames per second, keeping the screen notch-free for uninterrupted gaming and calls. Audio, connectivity, and features. Immersive sound comes via stereo speakers with high-res audio and Snapdragon sound support, delivering rich, spatial audio for games, music, and media, though it skips the 3.5mm jack for a sleeker profile. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 800 2.11a/b/g/n/ac/6 or 7 with dual-band, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, an infrared port, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG for versatile use. An under-display optical fingerprint sensor joins accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass for secure, intuitive interaction, while 520 Hz pressure zones elevate gaming precision. All-day gaming power. The 7000 mAh C/C Li-ion battery fuels marathon sessions, bolstered by efficient power management and bypass charging to reduce heat during plugged-in play. It supports blazing 80W wired charging globally, or up to 120W in China-only variants, enabling rapid top-ups from empty to full in under 30 minutes. This setup ensures gamers stay powered through intense days without compromise. Final verdict. The Redmagic 11 Air blends high-end gaming prowess, featherlight design, and smart features like RGB lighting and active cooling into a versatile flagship that punches above its weight for performance seekers. Its slimmer profile, vibrant ecosystem on Android 16 with Redmagic OS 11, and balanced specs make it an ideal pick for mobile warriors craving speed, style, and stamina in one sleek device.